Hi, I'm Hannah from J Parkers, and today I'm going to talk to you about starting and caring for seeds over winter. You can start quite a few varieties off during the winter time. So there's sweet peas, chilies, you can start geraniums off as well. So there are quite a few things that you can start doing in the winter time to prepare for the spring. For this, I'm going to use our sweet pea Spencer mix, so I'll show you how to plant those up. So I'm going to use seed and cutting compost, and I'm just going to fill a tray. Okay, so I'm just going to open this. Well, I've already opened it. I'm just going to open these so you can see what they look like. So these are the sweet peas. So they're quite big, so you can get away with just sprinkling these on really. And then you just want to cover these up with a fine layer of the compost. So I just grab a bit, and then if you just do this, it covers them, but they're not going to end up too deep in your tray. Okay, so they're all done now. So you just want to water that in, and then you can set those either, if you have a heated propagator and you want them between 12 and 27 degrees. If you don't, you can just start these off on a sunny windowsill and that should be fine. And then as soon as these seedlings start coming through, you can then transplant them out into something a little bit bigger. You could start off with something like this, which I can't get out. You can start off with something a little bit bigger like this when they've grown on, or if you want to wait a little bit longer, you can start them off in 9cm pots and then grow them on for a bit, and then you can just plant them out where you want them, in pots or in the ground, and then you should be ready to go.